Each day I live, I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I rise and fall, yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are heart beat away, when the answers are all up to me, give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. And then in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. That's true. Just work for that one moment when you are more than you thought you could be. It can come anytime. Just stay positive, trust God, trust yourself, और सारी चीज़ें possible है. Right? Don't judge before the journey is over. It is not over till the time you get success. But do good, be good, do what is right.